welcome to my channel. Hi, I'm Kelechi Mgbemena. Just in case you are seeing me for the first time, it's good to have you here. So in today's video, we are going to be talking all about how to create your own YouTube filming setup, YouTube filming studio in your bedroom, guys. If you're someone who has a tiny bedroom like I do, this video is definitely going to be the one to watch. I'm going to be sharing with you all my tips, tricks, secrets, hacks, and all the equipment you're going to need to create this entire setup. So if you guys are interested, then definitely to keep on watching. So I wanted to create this video specifically for everyone and anyone who has been giving themselves excuses on not having enough space, not having a studio, the right equipment, all of that. I wanted to kind of simplify this entire thing because YouTube is actually fun. I feel like a lot of people complicate it. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys different ways and tricks and tips on how you can, convert your bedroom into your actual filming space. In case you guys do not know, I started off filming my YouTube videos in my bedroom for at least over a year and a half. So don't have an excuse. We're going to be talking all about how to maximize your small space, how to maximize your minimum space, guys. So if you are interested, then let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about obviously is the camera, what you're going to be using to film. Now, currently I'm using the Canon EOS M6 Mark II, but I love this because it's very portable, it's very compact, and because we're working like a small filming space, I'm trying to minimize my equipment because there's only so much that can actually fit into this filming space of this bedroom. I'm going to be showing you guys the behind the scenes so you guys can see what I'm talking about. However, if you are starting off, use your phone. So I started off filming on my mobile phone. I absolutely love it. I feel like it's just the most compact, portable, budget friendly in a sense that if you already have a mobile phone, you don't need to spend anything extra to get another like filming equipment because you pretty much have a camera there. So I'm going to just open up my camera just so you guys can see the quality. But again, I do have a very detailed video on how to film with your mobile phone. I have it linked over here, but let me just open up my camera so we can see how this looks. Let me set it up over here. This is what it looks like filming on my mobile phone right now, and this is what it looks like filming on my camera. Again, just a slight difference, but just to show you guys how you guys can use your mobile phone to start recording in your bedroom. This is definitely a way to start. I feel like you can create a lot of content using just this. Let me bring you guys in. Let me just hold you guys because I feel like I'm in that mood, I'm closer if I wanted to like a beauty tutorial or whatever content you're trying to create. Again, and I don't know if you guys can see the background, everything. Now, the good thing about my camera or my phone is that we have 3 lenses at the back right here, just so you guys can see. This is the Samsung Note 10. It has 3 lenses. Most phones now have 2 lenses that you can actually play around with, or 3 lenses. You can decide to, change the lens and use a wider one like I'm going to do right now, so you guys can see more room. Now, if I'm trying to create content in a small space, this is definitely the lens I'm going to be using to create my content because again, it's wider. Just like this 16mm lens, it lets in a lot of room, a lot of space. I can then zoom you guys in, change the lenses and work with this one, right? But with this one, I kind of need to be a distance away from you guys so you guys can see what is happening. So now I want to quickly talk about lenses because lenses play a huge role in how the picture not only looks but also how it feels. Now, because I have a really small space, I want to work with a lens that has like a wider focal length. Now, this one is a Sigma 16mm 1.4 lens. It's also like a very popular vlogging lens because it is so wide. Now, because my room is so small, there's only so much I can do in this space. I want a lens that can take up the entire space and show more in terms of what I'm seeing behind me, because again, I do have a small space, right? Now, this is the lens I use in filming most of my YouTube content. This is a 30mm 1.4 lens as well, but this one, by the time I show you, let me show you guys the difference, right? Let me show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, so low key, I'm actually loving this setup and how it's looking right now. Again, this is what 30mm lens looks like. The 30mm 1.4 sigma lens, this is what it looks like. Again, it crops it in. I can touch my lens, guys. I can touch my camera. That's how far away I am from the lens, just arm's length away from the lens. This is what we're looking like right now. If I'm to come closer, this is what we're going to be looking like. You guys can see all my details. Just to show you guys the options are available. Most times whenever I'm filming like beauty content, I use the 50mm lens. I'm so scared. I feel like putting that on now just so you guys can see. Again, my bed is just like I'm sitting on my bed. This is how small and tiny my room is. Just for fun's sakes, I'm gonna play around with this 50mm lens. This one is the one that I use for most of my beauty content. Wow. Guys, this is what the 50mm lens looks like, guys. So close, it's super close. I just want to say that if you're working with like a tiny space and you kind of have to sit close to the lens or to the camera, maybe arm's length at most, I'd advise you either go for the 30mm, but preferably go for the 16mm or something below 24. That way you have a wider view, you have more space to show off, and it just works for whatever content you are trying to create. And this is for people that have like a really small space, people that are trying to create in a tiny bedroom space like this. I feel weird talking like this, so let me just switch up the lenses back to this one right here. This is the 16mm lens. Wow guys, so there we go. That's the difference between the lenses as well as the focal length. So what I like to say is to match your space with what you're filming with. If you have a small space, look for what would give you the best result while trying to minimize and, you know, make that space as, you know, efficient and as productive as possible. Okay guys, I want to now talk about the lighting, guys. If you guys have watched any of my lighting setup video, guys, you would you know that I'm obsessed with light. However, guys, in this video you are watching right now, I am only using one light. Guys, if you know me, you know that that is an abomination, but I'm only using one light, and that's how I'm creating this look you're seeing right now. Currently I have just one LED light right here. This is the Yongnuo YN600L light, guys. It's the one that is just white. So this is what it looks like right now. So what I'm doing right now is that I'm bouncing that light on my wall, guys. I'm not putting this light on my face. Also guys, I have a reflector. You know that I cannot film a content without having this reflector. The reason why I'm doing this way is because LED lights are so bright. I'm using LED lights now because they are so flat, it's so compact, and because I'm working in a really small space, and I just perfect for this space, guys. It's not taking up any space at all. It's not like a soft box that is like protruding out and has like 4 edges. This one is compact, and what I love about it is that it is so powerful. It is so powerful. I have to face it away from me, because once I face it towards me, this is what I look like. Guys, I am blown out. It is so powerful. So I don't want to get like my diffusers and all of that. I want to minimize what I'm filming with, and I don't want it to be too bulky. So I'm just going to put this on my wall. Because I have a white wall, it's going to now bounce back and illuminates me, and this is what we're looking like right now. If you have room lights, amazing. I do have room lights, but funny enough, I have everything turned off just because it's too bright when I turn it on. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like when I have my room lights turned on. Now, I think I actually like how it's looking. It looks a little bit crisp. This is definitely another way you can go. Let me know which one you prefer. But what I want to do right now is to just turn off my LED light, just to show you guys what it's going to look like. Or just in case you guys are not working with this light, let's show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like without the LED lights, but with my room lights. So what I want to do right now is to increase my ISO to about, ooh, okay, Okay guys, so now my ISO is at 400 and I'm filming without a studio light, an LED light, an external light. I'm just filming using what I already have, my room light. Once you have like just one source of light and you're good to go. So now that we've covered, you know, the camera, the lenses, the lighting, as well as the audio, I want to move on to stabilization, guys. Stabilization is, I want to say, it's the most basic thing, and I feel like people get overwhelmed with the thought of like, what tripod I need to get, like how am I gonna do this, how am I gonna do that. If you are like me, DIY it. Get yourself your shoe and put it on there and figure out how you can make this stay on your shoe, or figure out how to put this on, like just get yourself a box or something. Figure out how to stabilize your phone, stack up books. So I quickly want to move on to the last, and I think the most important in terms of, you know, filming in your bedroom and making it look really high quality, sophisticated. Whether you're filming on your mobile phone or on a DSLR camera, the most important thing is to create a theme and have it as tidy as possible, guys. So you want people to feel some sort of way when they are watching your content, whether it's to feel, you know, green or moody or excited or clean. So the first thing I would advise you to do is to tidy up your bedroom, or at least tidy up the parts that will be showing, in this case, my bed. So now in this case, I can only work with my bed because like everywhere else is so tight. I'm literally touching my wall right now. That's how small my bedroom is, right? So you want to make sure that this side is as tidy as possible. So if you have to make your bed before filming, change your bed sheets. If you have to, duvet, and put a little bit of accessories, pillows, throw pillows, teddy bear, whatever you can. Basically accessorize your set. This is your set. So accessorize your bedroom. I don't know if you guys can see that LED strip over there. Beautiful. You guys know that I am obsessed with lighting. I'm so obsessed with lighting, and I feel like lighting makes a whole lot of difference in your background, in your filming, in basically everything. Like, it's okay. And you guys also know that I'm obsessed with fairy lights. I have one fairy light over there. This is one that I use in my studio. I just brought it down and hung it behind my curtain just to add a little bit of warmth. We have another light over here. These are the string lights. I got this one from AliExpress. It is battery operated, but it is amazing as well. I got it for like $3. That's like 1K. It's so inexpensive. I actually got two. And I hung one on my mirror. I'll probably put a video to show you guys, or like if you watch any of my previous videos where I filmed in my studio, you would see my mirror has like LED lights or like string lights around it. I literally hung these around the mirror just to give it a little bit of like pizzazz, I think. But yeah, I have lights over here. Lights always work for me. This light, you guys probably already know it. This is the LED light I always film with. So this is my Yongnuo YN216 light. This is the light that gives like that pink hue on my background. Can you see? Pink. That LED strip you're seeing over there, this is also amazing if you also want to create a mood. I think I got it from Amazon for about $20 or not more than $20 basically. You can set how you want it to be. If you want it to be slow, if you want it to be flashy, if you want it to fade in and out, if you want to change the colors, guys, this is it. It has all the colors over here. So if you want like a red, green, yellow light, blue light, purple light, this one I have this color over here. This is the pink color. That's what you guys are seeing right here. Let's put blue, right? If I want to change it to pink right here, right? Oh, she's cute. Okay, let's do something different. Let's try this red right there. Amazing. So let's see if we can do yellow. Beautiful. So we can definitely change the hues, the colors, and oh, this is actually mad though. I think I might leave it like this. Let me see what it looks like. So, oh, that is pretty. And guys, I definitely love this color right here. I feel like if I was going for like a green themed room, it would be amazing. Like, it's minty. I love it. That's what it looks like. So this is the way you can spice up your room and create a studio out of it. You can just use LED strips and you're good to go. Honestly, you can just use LED strips and you're good to go. Okay guys, yeah, if you guys are enjoying this video up until now, let me know down in the comment section. So I think I've covered everything there is to know about filming in a small space. Make sure that you're seated in an angle that is so flattering and that it looks good on camera, if that makes sense. So I think that is about it. I think I've covered up everything I wanted to talk about in this video. So if you still have questions, leave them down in the comment section and I'll be sure to attend to them, to answer them. I'll probably do another video on them. This is how you can basically start up your YouTube channel in your bedroom. If you're someone who has a small space, stop giving yourself excuses. Start with what you have, maximize on what you have and make it work for you, regardless. Make it work for you regardless. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, like, share, comment down below what your thoughts are. I'll definitely see you guys in my next video or in my previous video, depending on if you are a returning subscriber or a new subscriber. Feel free to check out my other videos and I'll definitely see you guys in one of them. Till then, stay amazing and stay blessed. Bye guys.